Hi, this is a quick rundown on how to log into Office 365 from Clever. So you would log in with your lunch number and your password, and then once you log in into your lunch number, either Office 365 is going to be one of the favorite resources. I do recommend hitting that little heart and putting it up there. If it is not up there, then you are going to go scroll down and it is going to be right here under links, and then you are going to click on Office 365. This is where you will find the e-learning notebook. So once we get to this stage, you're going to log in as your lunch number, and you're going to hit @hcps.net. Okay. Then it's going to take you to your Office 365 account. It will say decide if you want to stay signed in. I do not recommend you stay signed in because if you have more than one student on the computer, it will get a little confusing. So I would hit no. So then you should know it is your 365 account because it should have your name at the top of the page. Then once you are on your page, you are going to scroll down and you're going to go into Shared with Me. You will find our ELA e-learning Office notebook right here. You're going to click on that and then it'll take you to the notebook. Once the notebook is loaded, you'll notice there's a collaboration space, a content library, and then your name should be right here. You're going to click on your name. And you'll see all the tabs we have for the upcoming weeks. We have weeks 2, 3, and 4. There are actually no assignments under those tabs right now because we have not, we've just put the tabs there just to help us when planning. You will notice that you have a weekly reading tab. This is where you are going to find all your instructions for the next couple weeks. So the weekly reading tab, this is for the following week. So this is for 3:30 and it has the dates in which you follow. This week is just a testing week. We only assign 3 questions and some iReady lessons. So the good thing about OneNote is that you can actually type directly into the responses. So you would type directly into the responses. So you can type directly into the page. This way it's easier for me to grade, and it saves on printing, and especially if nobody has a printer, you don't have to upload it anywhere else, and everybody can be practicing their typing skills. Okay, so there are some different tabs over here. So that is your week 1 testing 1, 2, 3 tab. That's your assignment for this week. We have a math tab. We have a writing assignments tab, but then after week 2, all your assignments are just going to go under, everything is going to be under one tab. We have notes tabs. We're going to have all the notes that we have taken over the past year into these tabs. So as of right now, we have poetry, plays, settings and events, summarizing first-hand and a second-hand account notes already uploaded. The rest will be loaded over the next couple weeks. And then finally, we have the social studies tab. This tab is where you will find how to log into your social studies account, which is also on Clever. You'll log into the TCI app. You are actually going to go into the assignments part of the menu, and then under your assignments, you can pull up the little drop-down arrow, and you can actually pull up the assignments for each day, each week. So we're going to be reading the same chapter for 3 weeks. And then once that's all done, we will upload notes and you will be able to fill those out. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact your teacher on Edsby and ask them. Let's hope we can get through this e-learning experience together.